Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Boxycharm for September. So if you're interested, keep watching and let's do it. Alright guys, this is my Boxy for September. I know I'm late. I haven't opened it at all yet. So it's so busy. And this is the Fall Lux Box. It is called Boxycharm Fall Lux. So pretty with the leaves. And as always, it comes with a card and it states what you received in your box and the prices of the items. So let's get into this box and see what I pick up. Ooh, I got an eyeshadow palette from Rare Beauty. I've been wanting to try her eyeshadow formula. Super excited about this. The packaging is so pretty. Oh, so cute. Look at that. That is super cute. It comes with a little mirror up in there. It has a little protector. And it looks like it's all shimmers. This palette is all shimmers. Super pretty. Let me swatch some. They're super light. So maybe like a topper. I love the little package though. It says Rare Beauty Confident Energy Eyeshadow Palette, a limited edition glimmering palette of 6 everyday neutrals and bolds to reflect your true aura, all in a rich, blendable, long-wearing formula inspired by the light and energy that surrounds us. These chromatic shades make it easy to create everyday looks that reflect your true aura. Warm neutrals and vivid bolds come together in soft metallic and satin finishes. Perfect for a quick wash of color or endless layering. The MSRP for this item is $25. I can't wait to try that. I'm super excited about that item because I've been wanting to try her formula. The next item I pick up is really big. This is Cab Cosmetics Volume 1 Contour Palette. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. Nice big mirror. Really big pans. It says it's made in China, 12-month shelf life, cruelty free. So you do have a range to choose from. You have a translucent, looks like an all-around matte face palette. You have nude, banana powder to brighten, vanilla bean. So those are the shades. You have these deeper toned bronzers over here. I like this one, caramel. That's the one I would probably use. Super soft. Can't wait to try it. It says Cobb Cosmetics Contour Palette. This matte contour palette contains 8 silky powders that blend effortlessly into the skin for the perfect contour every time. Use the darker shades for a chiseled, striking contour and the lighter shades under your eyes and other high points of the face for an instant lifting effect. The MSRP for this item is $60. I was interested to see where the Rare Beauty eyeshadow formula is made. It's also made in China. Alright, so the next thing I pick up is called Bamboo Body Polish. Let's see. Vegan, paraben free, sulfate free. Ooh, it's like a body scrub. Oh! It's got it in my nose. It's like a body scrub. It has a really, really light vanilla scent. It says bamboo stem extract, jojoba oil, and aloe vera. That is nice. Let me see what the says. It says a lifestyle company bamboo body polish. This polish has sustainable bamboo stem extract to achieve gentle physical exfoliation for your self-care needs. Bamboo stem extract is derived from the interior portion of the plant and provides excellent exfoliation. Jojoba oil delivers essential fatty acid and is quickly absorbed into skin, helping it feel softer and more nourished. Keep it in the fridge for anti-inflammatory effects and the boost circulation. The MSRP for this item is $49. It says directions. Scoop between fingers, apply to wet skin, and gently massage in a circular motion. Focus on rough areas. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry for moisturized skin. I mean, I would think this is for your body. It says body polish, so I'm guessing it is for your body and not for your face. The next item I pick up is called Dew of the Gods Froze Hydra Activated Lip Scrub. I love me a good lip scrub. Let's open it up. Pretty interesting packaging. Pretty, I love this little cute little box. So it comes in a regular little plastic. Has a little seal. Ooh, that's like, it's like beads. Look at that. That is the texture. So it's not like any kind of like moisturizer, but I'm interested to see. Yeah, it's really hard. Crystal. So this is from Dew of the Gods. That's the name. That's the brand name. Froze Lip Scrub. Show your lips some much needed love with the scrub of the gods. This would be the scrub of the gods because I would think it would scrub my lips off. I don't know. This iconic froze lip scrub is activated with hyaluronic acid and essential oils to hydrate, exfoliate, and lift. Made from sugar, strawberry, seed oil, jojoba oil, and shea extract. I don't smell a smell. There's not really a smell to it. But it is very hard polish, so I kind of would be a little nervous to scrub my lips with that, but I'll try it. Anything in the name of beauty. Alright, so the next item I pick up is from Iconic London. It is Triple Threat Mascara. That's what this is. It's in black. I don't think I've ever tried Iconic London's mascara before. I don't know if this is a new item from them or if it's old. Let's see. It says Iconic London Triple Threat Mascara. Fed up with falsies, meet the gold standard of mascara. An ultra black, stunning, weightless formula that volumizes, lengthens, and lifts lashes all day and night for a dramatic and fluttery look. The easy to handle slim brush gets right to the root of your lashes for instant smoldering, fuller lash line, while the dense bristles separate and coat lashes evenly with deep black, intense fullness and length. The best alternative to false lashes. The MSRP for this item is $26. So let's see what the wand looks like. So it's really a thin wand. It looks like it's spiky, so I don't like spiky wands because they prick my eye, but some of them don't, so I'm interested to try it. So the next item I pick up is from the new company Defense Drops. Let's see. So it comes in a dark packaging with a dropper. It is sealed. It says the new company Defense Drops, the first line of defense against getting sick. This immune boosting liquid tincture contains a blend of adaptogenic herbs and immunomodulating extracts with naturally antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Used as the first sign of a scratchy throat or sneeze to help support your body's immune response. The MSRP for this item is $35. I would have to do a little bit more research on this brand because I've never tried this before, but it is an herbal supplement that is pretty cool to get in your boxy, because you do have to love your skin from the inside out. That's my motto. Yes, I'm interested in researching about this product and actually trying it. Alright, the next thing I pick up is from Saturday Skin, Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. So that is the box. Let's see. This is the container it comes in. I have tried a few things from Saturday Skin. It doesn't have any kind of smell that I could smell. Let's see what it states. Saturday Skin, a soft and luxurious whipped cream with encapsulated probiotics activated by prebiotics for healthy and radiant looking skin. The MSRP for this item is $57. So I am so excited to try this because I haven't tried this moisturizer before, and it's made in Korea. They have a pretty good skincare line. Alright, the last item in this box is Adagio California Flat Iron. This says, not so many flat iron. The flat iron features 100% ceramic plates that radiate far infrared heat, helping to minimize damage to the hair. The unique coating plates design allows you to smoothly straighten and style hair, resulting in shiny, silky, no frizz, manageable hair with unlimited styling potential. The MSRP for this item is $99. I can't tell you the last time I straightened my hair because it's naturally curly, and I don't like to put a lot of heat on it. But once in a while, I will. This is pretty cute. It's really sleek and slim. Definitely would take forever to straight iron my hair if you have long, full hair. It's really tiny, but I would guess it would be really good for these, you know, these side parts right here, the little pieces on your side of your face. Alright, let's add up this box and see how much it totaled. We got the Rare Beauty Confident Energy eyeshadow palette, which was $25. Then we got the Iconic London Triple Threat Mascara, which was $26. Then we got the Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream, which was $57. And Cobb Cosmetics Contour Palette, it's $60. We got Adagio, I don't know if I said that right, Not So Many Flat Iron, which was $99. And then we got the New Company Defense Drops, which is $35. Then the Lysol Company Bamboo Body Polish, which was $49. And the Dew of the Gods Froze Lip Scrub, which is $16. And that is a total of $367 value in this box. So what do you think of the box? I mean, I'm pretty excited. I thought it was a really nice box. This flat iron really is, it feels like it's, you know, it's heavy. It doesn't feel cheap at all. I'm interested in trying the Rare Beauty eyeshadow because I love me some eyeshadow. That face palette was pretty all in one, so I'm interested to try that also. And then another thing, I think I'm interested to try a lot of the products that I received. The immunity drops, that was interesting. The body scrub, I don't know about the lip scrub. I'm going to try it, but I'm pretty scared to put it because it seems like it would be very harsh on the lips. The Saturday Skin moisturizer, definitely excited about that. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Until next time, y'all stay blessed.